isa na ito siguro sa pinakamahirap, no, na pinagdibatihan ng ating mga hurado kasi talagang kumagang mabigat at napakalaking karangalan na matawag na Women Athlete of the Year.
Tama ka dyan, Riza. Para matawag na Athlete of the Year, dapat within global level ang recognition na kanilang na-achieve. And I believe our selection committee made an impressive and correct decision. I'm sure you've heard their names, left or right. Naging matunog talaga ang kanilang napagtagumpayang achievements in 2024.
And muli to our generous sponsors for the many gifts that our athletes will be receiving, including our Women Athlete of the Year, maraming salamat. Our presenters are ready to welcome her on stage. So, Carlo, please do the honors.
For the awarding of the Women Athletes of the Year, we have our BSC members here up front. Ladies and gentlemen, the first recipient of the Women Athlete of the Year, Paris 2024 bronze medalist, Ira Villegas. And representing Ira will be her teammate, Lisa Paswin, joining us on stage.
Ira Villegas made a grand debut at the Olympic stage after an impressive debut performance during the country's 8th at the Paris 2024 Summer Games. She secured one of the nation's bronze finishes in the women's boxing after competing with the best of the best in the women's 50kg event. Ira secured her Olympic debut ticket after a unanimous victory over her Bulgarian counterpart at the first World Qualification Tournament.
Another round of applause, please, for Ms. Ira Villegas, represented by Ms. Risa Pasue. And our next recipient of Women Athlete of the Year, it goes to Paris 2024 bronze medalist, Nesty Petesio!
Has been a record-breaking athlete since day one. She's not new to the Olympic scene and has proven in the winning yet another Olympic medal at the Summer Games. On the very small list of Filipino Olympians who have brought home 2 Olympic medals in their athletic careers. Nesty medal in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics after a silver finish in the featherweight event, to which she secured the title as the first Filipina to win a boxing medal in the history of Philippine sports.
Pero ang pangako ni Nesty sa ating lahat, walang ginto hanggat walang ginto!
Palagpagan natin our Athlete of the Year. For Women in Sports, congratulations, Nesty Petesio. Mixing mensahe para sa ating awardee. For presenters, maraming salamat po. Congratulations. Tulungan ka muna namin sa iyong napakaraming regalo.
Nesty, your message. Nanalawin ka, pero kailangan namin makarinig ng speech mula sa'yo, Nesty. The only 2-time boxing Olympic medalist in Philippine history.
Sige na, kabahan ko talaga ako sa mga ganitong sitwasyon ng buhay ko. The chairman, PSC chairman, Richard Bacon, sir, PSC commissioner, PSC staff na nag-organize po dito, NSC officials, sa mga sponsors of course, at sa lahat ng awardees, at sa kapwa ko mga atleta, good evening po, ating lahat. At sa lahat po ng mga kababaihan nandito ngayon, Happy Women's Month po. Hindi na siya tapos, so ito po pala yung speech ko. Intro lang po yun. Sila sekretaryo po ako, Professor Saharan Janto Cruz, Mindanao! Wala na po.
Hindi ka na.
Sunto ka na lang eh.
Ito na!
Mas kaya pa niya sa suntukan eh.
Una po, I would like to personally thank Commissioner Bongku Wow, thank you po for inviting me sa this prestigious event. Oh, nahirapan akong magbasa, Diyos ko. For women sports, and thank you for this Momentum Award po. Grabe, sobrang honor po na matawag akong athlete of the year po sa mga kababaihan. So, isa to sa bucket list ko, and ito, na-unlock ko na. To all strong, fearless, and inspiring women out there, every challenge you face is a chance to grow stronger. Lahat ng pagsubok na dumadating sa atin ay may dahilan. Either to teach us a lesson or to push us towards something greater. As women, we carry strength in our hearts, resilience in our souls, and courage in our spirit. Hi Coach, shout out sa coach ko pala. Thank you. Ginawa ko ng concert ko. I have faced struggles inside and outside the ring, pero hindi ako sumuko. Every punch, every fall, every doubt only made you stronger. Kaya gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo, you're capable, you're powerful, you're unstoppable. Huwag hayaang pigilan ka ng takot ng ibang tao. Sinasabi nilang, dahil babae lang tayo, hindi. Babae ka, hindi. Hindi ka babae lang, hindi babae ka. So, nalito kayo, no? Pati ako, nalito ko. An athlete, a servicewoman, I am proud member po ng Philippine Coast Guard.
Yeah!
Or a mother, a daughter, or a dreamer. You matter po. Hindi mo kailangan humingi ng permiso para mangarap. You are enough. You are strong. You are one at a time. So keep going po. Let's support and uplift each other. Mas matibay tayo kapag nagtutulungan. The world needs more women who dare to dream, break barriers, and never back down. Don't forget, you are kind, you are amazing, and you are important. So lahat ng mga kababihan dyan, laban na mo. Walang ginto hanggat walang ginto. Laban mo.
Once again, please give a warm round of applause for two-time Olympic medalist and our Women Athlete of the Year, Nesty Piquecho. At this point, we would like to invite back